Welcome to our fourth video of 5, covering our 2-week journey through Europe. In this video, we cover the country of Croatia, spending 3 days. First starting in Plitvice Lakes National Park, where they have magnificent waterfalls beyond belief. Then we venture down to Split, where we jump on a boat for a full-day excursion across the many islands out there, including Hvar and to see some blue caves. Then we journey on down to Dubrovnik to walk the walls and check out the old city. Who knows if my mom will ever get her luggage? I guess we'll have to wait and find out. Bye-bye, Slovenia.
Hello, Croatia. That does not look like a car bridge.
Once you commit, go fast.
Yeah.
So we start here, so we're gonna go down into the valley. We're gonna see the waterfalls. These are the lower falls, lower lakes. At P3, we get on a boat. We'll go through the lake, get off the boat. These are the upper falls. So we'll go through the right side, navigate through. Up here is a train station. We get on the train, and that train will take us all the way back to Station 1. And then we'll have to walk from Station 1 back to our parking lot. I am at the upper falls. We just got done with the boat ride. You know what? 8 o'clock tickets. It's not all that crowded, and it is September. Lower falls is where we started, and then we went up to the upper falls. That way we get the view walking into the falls. Pretty impressive. It's definitely a unique place. I recommend to come here for sure. Which trail should we take? This one or this one?
Well,
that one?
Looks like a shortcut. Maybe we should take the easy trail, Mark.
This one?
This one.
All right. How you liking your hike?
Yeah, it's better than yesterday.
Love it. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, love it, and better than yesterday's. Excellent. It is fantastic. We have finished our hike to see the waterfalls. We started right at 8 and we finished right here at noon, so 4 full hours to do the lower falls and the upper falls. And I don't think we took very much of our time. So I would definitely plan for 4 hours. There are restrooms halfway through and at the very end and at the very beginning. So be prepared.
When it gets in, it hits that white sand, which you can notice down there on the bottom. And that white sand works like the natural mirror, which is reflecting all of that sunlight back up through the cave.
What do you think, Heidi?
It's really blue and really pretty.
Blue Lagoon isn't very blue, is it?
No.
Not without some sunshine. There's some sun over there, but not here.
No. It's still beautiful.
This is the local alcohol. And it smells pretty strong, so we're gonna taste it.
Go ahead, go for it, girl.
Woo! Oh my gosh, Mark, that was so good.
It was good.
Yummy.
This is a lovely view we're looking
Really
at.
lovely view.
It's too bad they can't see it.
Let's show them. Ooh.
Ooh. Ah. Another great day.
Another great day. Morning, Mark.
Good morning. What'd you think of the walk, Kathy?
I loved it.
Heidi?
I love it.
I would do it again. 8 o'clock in the morning, pre-purchased tickets. Almost nobody there. But now look, we're just finishing up and you can see all those people. All of them that we didn't have to deal with. That was great.
That place was awesome. The box. 2000.
This view is amazing, Heidi. The view is amazing.
Unbelievable.
This view.
It could have been better.
It could have been better.
I love it.